Hello, all you artists out there in the world. I'm your friend, John Milan, TJ Freezy J, making this video today to talk to you about a new process that I do, the addition to gold leaf onto black and white scenes. What I'm going to do is put some red paint down on these backgrounds in between the black and white texture paste. So bear with me as I experiment and we will show you the process. The next part of this process, I'm going to let the red paint dry. I'm going to heat up that process with the heat gun, get completely dry, ready for a coat of clear acrylic. This is gloss medium that I like to brush on my black and white ink drawings. It will move the graphite a little bit, but I can't mush it into the red and have a meltdown in the middle of things. So it is part of the process. When you press down, you get such a nice satisfaction of the air bubbles dissipating and the nice texture paste that was applied before the drawing. If you were to just draw on a straight canvas, you wouldn't have the texture. Now another thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to draw with a black marker pen, again, to bring the tree shapes out. I like the edgy look instead of a very perfect drawing. I like it to be jaggedy and mix and match. Now, one thing that you can go back to is if you miss a spot in the trees, I call it peekaboos. It's where the sun comes through the trees. You can paint red and do gold again, and there's no need to be concerned if you want it to be red. You can add a little red with your brush. So I hope you've enjoyed this layering process here. Try this technique out and let us see your results.